This was great, guys. Today we're gonna take you to the public pool near Las Vegas, to this art exhibition from Hendry. So come with us and let's check it out. Let's go. So hey guys, while we were in Las Vegas just showing you some other cool places and things to do in Las Vegas, we found out that this exhibition was only this weekend in a very secluded town named Sandy Valley, which is more famous for doing off-road kind of trips. And this is where the Australian artist Hendry decided to put this exhibition. And Hendry decided to name this art exhibition the Public Pool, trying to represent the very cool and colorful pool parties they do in Las Vegas. The exhibition was at no charge and free for everyone. Unfortunately for people that didn't get a chance to go, it only ran from April 5 to the 7th. But don't worry, we're here and we'll show you all about the Public Pool exhibition. And as you can see, many creators were here, either taking pictures or just making some videos. As this place was perfect for this because it was very colorful and it has some amazing views. The 50-meter long inflatable pool was decorated with inflatables of different colors that became a dynamic reflection of the spirit of Viva Las Vegas. And at the Public Pool shop, you can get merchandise like towels, shirts, hats, etc. And you can also enter the shop to see some of the limited edition drawings that she had. And you can also come inside and take some great photos because through the windows you can see the amazing desert on the back. It was just great for those social media photos. And you can also check out her art right here. Oh man, look at this. You wouldn't believe she only did this with color pencils. But if you see the images from close, it almost looks like it's a photograph, or like if it was made in digital art. It's very impressive. And guys, you know how YouTube works. Like the video so other travelers can see it. And don't forget to share the video so YouTube will promote it. The Public Pool exhibition also have bathrooms with air conditioning for your use. And they also have some closer parking for handicap, so you can be closer to the pool and not have to walk that much. Alright guys, this is the end of this great adventure. We hope we see you on the subscribe list so you don't miss any future adventures in California and around the world. And before you guys leave, don't forget to check out these other two videos on great adventures, like Slide Rock in Arizona, Sedona, and the Grey Wolf Lodge in Anaheim, California. Life is beautiful, so come see it with those bros travel adventures.